And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 305. Let me show you how you can add the toolbar. You've certainly noticed these three dots right here. And if you click on it, nothing should happen, at least not when you have the default layout active in Photoshop and you haven't messed around with the toolbar yet. But if you adjust it under Edit Toolbar, this menu should pop up, and here you can adjust the entire toolbar, which is this left-hand row where all the tools are sorted. This, for example, move the artboard tool from left to right here, from toolbar to extra tools, frame as well. Just as an example, maybe the rotate view tool as well. And now I simply confirm. And if we click on the three dots now, these tools that we've moved there to extra tools, they are now sorted or grouped right there where the three dots were. You can, with a right click, cycle through them, or you can directly edit the toolbar now here by clicking on the three dots. You can clear it all and then set up your entire system 1 tool at a time. And whenever you get lost, it's a good idea to restore the defaults. Let me confirm, and you can see the top one is actually the move tool again, and the artboard tool is there as well. Three dots are empty now. Let's go back. We also have these 5 options below, and these are the smaller ones right here. You can just toggle them on and off. So here, for example, are the swatches. I think it's very helpful to have them. Here's the quick mask. There's a different view mode. And here is an option for generating images. In our case, for this tutorial at least, we want to use the default. So I make sure to restore defaults once more. Confirm we are done. And this is what we've been using so far in the tutorials. We're going to continue using that, but you can customize your toolbar right there. And this is how you can edit your toolbar in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.